I'm Sarah. Today we're going to be doing another full body workout in the park. You don't really need much equipment for this. You could use a little bit of weights if you want. We've also got a little bit of resistance bands, but pretty much everything you could do without weights. Hope you enjoy it.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams.
So for this first exercise, we're going to be doing tricep dips. You have two options for this one. Your legs can be bent. They can also be straight out. The straighter your legs are, the more weight on your triceps. So here I'm just dipping down until about 90 degrees and pulling back up. This exercise here is called Renegade Rows. So you're coming into a high plank position. You're resting your hands on the weights. If you can, try and find weights that are flat so they don't roll. And you're pulling up one arm at a time to hit your back muscles. You can also make sure that your legs are a little bit more spread apart during this one. And this is going to stabilize you through the exercise. Another thing you want to consider is to engage your core so that you don't have a lot of rotation when you pull up your arms. For this exercise, we're going back to lower body. You've got split jumps, so you're coming into a lunge position, jumping up and switching your legs.
This sorrowness will bite your tongue, no one is forever young. No. Listen to the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down low.
This next exercise, you're going to want to add in a band. This is going to create more resistance against your glutes.
The sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds.
For the glutes, we're going to be doing a little combo. So I've got a regular glute bridge, then we've got a single leg glute bridge on each side, and to finish, you've got a glute bridge with abduction. You're going to repeat this combo multiple times through.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd.
Here we're going back to core, so we're doing Russian twists. I've got a weight in my hands, which you don't have to use if you don't want to. You'll also see me doing a progression later on. Here I'm starting with my legs on the ground, and later you'll see me with my legs up. For this exercise, really make sure the core is engaged, and again, not rounding your shoulders forward, keeping a nice straight line across your back. For our last exercise, we're going to do some more cardio. So we're using the park bench to do step-ups. You want to make sure that halfway through you're switching which foot you start with to make sure you're getting a balance of work on each side.
Sip me up like lemonade, we both know it's bittersweet. This sorrowness will bite your tongue, no one is forever young. No.
Alright, I hope you liked that workout. This is our third one in the series, so look out for more. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. As well, if you'd like to find me on Instagram, I'll be linked below as well. Thank you and good luck.
The sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds. like helium.